Hey everyone, it's Akos here from ATechFlow and welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing something what I lately really use like every day, and this is the Lexar ES5 magnetic SSD. It's 2 terabyte, it's sleek, it's light, it's just a wow. And it's literally sticks to the back of your iPhone. I've been using it for filming and editing videos, and honestly, it's been a game changer. So let's take a closer look, let's go. So first let's talk about the design and the build. And the design is the first thing that grabbed me. It's got that soft rubber finish that feels premium, and the color, kind of a sand silver tone, just looks classy. It's light, fits easily in your pocket, and the magnetic back is such a clever idea. I can snap it right onto my iPhone, plug it in the USB-C cable, and I'm ready to record or edit without juggling cables and drives. It just makes the whole setup clean and portable. Okay, let's continue with the performance, because this is where Lexar is really impressed me. I've been using it to record all my videos directly from my iPhone and it works flawlessly. It captures high quality ProRes footage straight to the SSD, so I don't have to worry about running out of storage on my phone. Then, when I'm done filming, I just plug it straight into my PC and the transfer speeds are insanely fast. I can copy gigabytes of footage in seconds, which saves me so much time when I'm editing. Lexar also has its own app, which makes managing files really easy. It's clean, simple, and super handy if you're moving between your phone and your computer. The whole process just feels so smooth and effortless. And it's not just fast though, it's tough too. The ES5 is IP65 rated, so it's dust and water resistant, and it's built to handle drops up to 3 meters. That's perfect if you're filming outdoors or traveling. And it works with pretty much everything: iPhone, Android, Mac, Windows, even gaming consoles. You just plugged in and it's ready to go. No formatting or setup needed. Now let's speak about the pros and the cons. After using it for a while, here's what stands out to me. The good stuff: it's super portable, looks great, and it's unbelievably fast. The magnet actually makes a big difference when filming with your phone, and the Lexar app just makes the file management simple and quick. However, the small downsides: you still need a cable, so it's not fully wireless yet. And to get the absolute top speeds, your device needs to support the latest USB-C standard. But honestly, even without that, this thing is still really fast. And now let's wrap this up. So overall, the Lexar ES5 magnetic portable SSD has become a big part of my workflow. It's fast, reliable, and perfect for creators who shoot on their phones but edit on a computer. Big thanks to Lexar for sending this sample out to test, and I'm absolutely impressed and 100% recommended. And I'm sure that I will use it every day. So if you are looking for a compact and powerful SSD that can handle your mobile and desktop workflow, definitely check this one out. I leave a link down below if you want to take a closer look. Alright, that's it for this one. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe, hit the like button, and make your thoughts down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.